Hello everyone, my name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another summertime swap reveal, and this next artist that I will be revealing or featuring today, her name is Mrs. Morton. So let's go ahead and get into this swap. But before I get started, I want you all to know that if there is something that you would like for Miss Morton to make, I will leave all her information or my email down in the description box. I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here are all three of her swaps, June, July, and August. I'm going to come over here and start off with her June swap. This is the name of her business. I'm going to make sure that I leave her information down in the description box, her email and all that good stuff, so that way you all can reach out to her if you see something that you would like for her to make and create for you. Okay, so this very first item, wow, this is a cuff. Yes, this very first item for the month of June, which will be called Summertime Fun, is a cuff. Wow, this is nice. Nice and simple. Look at that. And I'm not gonna strap it up, but this is what it looks like. Y'all are getting some goodies. Wow. Awesome, Miss Morton. This is absolutely gorgeous. So for the month of June, which is called Summertime Fun, this is this swap. So I'm going to put that back on here with her card. The next item that I'm going to showcase to you all is for the month of July, and I have to show you this item doing a video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I am back. So this next item for the month of July is called Summertime Fling, and it's a bag. This is absolutely hands down thebomb.com. Okay, this is her bag. And this bag is a kitty cat bag, but I like it. It's like a slouch. I mean, I can't say enough. I looked in this bag and I said, you know what? She has a lining inside of it. It's a nice bag. She got a pocket. Ooh, and she got her label on it. Look at her label. Yes. Wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. She got a pocket. She got a pocket on the inside. So it's a pocket on the inside. And this is really nice. This is really nice. Wow. Miss Morton. I'm speechless. Like this craftsmanship, the work. It's just hands down awesome. Hands down awesome. So before I get into the very last swap, I want to say, Miss Morton, I want to thank you for participating in this here swap. I want to thank you for allowing yourself to be a blessing to someone in the group. I want to thank you for allowing yourself to make your mark on this earth by using your God-given gifts and talents that He have given you. So this next swap is for the month of August. And these are some gorgeous, hand-painted, beautiful earrings. Art is an expression of one's self. These are, I can't say enough. Like, I'm speechless right now. Like, every time we do these swaps, they get awesomer and awesomer. And I know that's not a word, but look at these earrings. Look at these earrings. You, Miss Morton, you are very gifted and very, very talented. And I'm saying this not, I'm speaking this for everybody who have participated in these swaps. You know, most people think that you get good overnight. What most people don't really get is that they never actually see you in the beginning. They only see you going towards, not the end, but going towards, they see the end result and not the beginning of where you started. And in order for it to get good at anything that you do, it's going to take time and being focused and just staying dedicated to whatever it is that you do. Dedication is so important because it will, when you stay dedicated, you will get the results. And as y'all can see, the last couple of days with me showcasing and revealing these beautiful queens' work, you see the results when you put in the time. When you put in the time to make yourself become better. That's how you really allow yourself to walk in your greatness. And I had to say this because this is what's coming out right now. And if it's anybody out there that's watching this video and you haven't gotten started, you need to get started because there is something in you that you need to birth to the world. So with that being said, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell that is on the side and hit the all part so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Miss Morton, I want to thank you so much, so very much for participating in this swap. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.